Hey everyone, welcome to Naughty Creations YouTube channel. Today we are going to making a beautiful and simple crochet hairband. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. So let's get started. Create a slip knot, then make 9 chains. I am using 6.5mm crochet hook. On first row we will skip one stitch, make single crochet on next stitch and half double crochet on next stitch, and we will repeat it one single crochet and one half double crochet until this row. Chain 1, turn your row, skip 1 and single crochet on first stitch and half double crochet to next stitch. For this row we are going to alternate our stitches. Where we did a single crochet on previous row, we are going to a half double crochet on this row, and where we did half double crochet on the previous row, we are going to do a single crochet on this row. On third row, repeat the same pattern, one single crochet and one half double crochet with alternate stitches. Repeat this pattern until your desired length. Once your band has reached the length you want, it's time to finish it off. Now give a one fold to your project and stitch the two ends together using same yarn and same crochet hook, and you can also use yarn needle too. find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Be sure to securely weave in the end so they don't come undone. Cut the ends with scissors and secure them under your project. And there you have it, your own crochet hairband.